Northside residents hit hard by floodwater in the Ribault area. They're facing yet another problem after Irma. Snakes are now showing up in their front yards and inside their homes.
Channel 4's Eric Avanier is live on Ken Knight Drive. Residents say they've been killing snakes left and right. Eric, where are all the snakes coming from?
Well, Mary, the snakes are coming from the Ribault River just here to my right. It runs parallel to this entire block, every home on this block. When Hurricane Irma caused that river to overflow, it displaced a lot of snakes, and now those snakes are taking up residency in people's front yards and even in people's homes. Everyone we talk to along Ken Knight Drive say this neighborhood is being overrun with snakes.
They just killed a snake yesterday across the street. A snake came out my house today, and we just had a snake about 30 minutes ago running through this yard right here.
I just really grabbed a broom and ran it back out the house, but we went and had another snake, one on with his tail halfway cut off.
The Ribault River runs parallel to this neighborhood and is less than 100 feet from many homes. When Hurricane Irma caused the river to overflow, it flooded this area with not only water, but hundreds of snakes, some poisonous, some not. Bernard Williams says he and other adults are keeping a watchful eye because children play in yards where snakes have been spotted.
I seen the snake slithering across the street, and I told our team, I said, there's a snake over here where people still coming to trying to get food and stuff. That's what we've been doing over here. We've been doing everything over there, but it's still snakes out here.
So how did he kill him?
With a shovel. He cut his head, yeah.
But snakes are not the only threat.
We got gators out here now, too, because it ain't just snakes.
Off camera, other neighbors confirmed the sightings and said gators have never come this close to the homes before the flood.
How many alligators have you seen so far?
3 so far.
How big would you say?
Ooh. The biggest one I seen, I would give him about 6 foot. They had a 4-foot one up there in the front.
Now, people out here are being advised to definitely watch where they step, especially at night when it's so dark you can't see in front of you. So that's why it's good if you're going to be out here to have a flashlight like this looking down just to make sure you're not coming anywhere close to a snake. Reporting live on the north side, Eric Avanier, Channel 4, the local station.